Dark in here. Good morning. Welcome to Pinky Mouse Cakes, Cookies, and Candy. And I didn't make any event or anything, but I'm at my daughter's house, little Linda's. She's having a yard sale, and I didn't feel like getting over here yesterday to film what all she had in her sale, but she said they had like 2 of everything, and they really sold a lot of stuff yesterday. So, but anyway, I'm just going to show you a little bit of what's left. There's customers out there now, and they're buying the big stuff, but anyway, which is good. But she's let's see here. I was going to show you first. I'm in her house, and she doesn't want to move this sofa out and outside unless somebody wants it. So I just thought I'd show it to you. If I can. Okay. I forgot what she said. I'll have to ask her. But that's a sofa that she's selling. It's a one piece, but it's 2 recliners. It's like Chase recliners. So if anyone is interested, it's locally. And so I'm gonna walk back out there, and I hope that y'all are having a good day. I feel pretty good today. I have to be careful walking, but I'm feeling pretty good. I didn't have a good day yesterday, but that's where it goes. Some days are good and some days aren't. So I just appreciate and thank the Lord for the good days that I do have. I have to go through several doors to get out here. But I'm just gonna show you a few things that she has left. They sold so much. They're combining their houses. What it is, they had just gotten married, and so they're moving. Arthur, my daughter's husband, is moving to live with Linda because it'd be closer to her job, and so Linda's going to be teaching high school in Kilgore this year, and so boy, this sun is bright. Let's see if I can turn this around. I'm just going to show you a little bit. You know, I know all of y'all are not local. Most of you are not. But I thought y'all might want to see what I'm up to today. That's one of Linda's dolls. And like I said, I know that y'all can't come by this, but I just thought y'all might want to enjoy seeing well, that's a pretty vase. I hadn't seen that. I love vases. It's just, like I said, they've already sold a lot of the big stuff. Well, there's a pressure cooker, toaster. Ooh, I love that pot. It's $5. It's an Akasha dish. There's some candlesticks, $2. They have sold so much. So they're down to just, there's a little pair of boys. Little kids' clothes sales pretty good. Let me see here what size that is. That is an 8 slim. Little Wranglers. That must have been Nathan and Braden's, huh, Linda? Those little pants was Nathan and Braden's? Size 8 slim. Of course, that's closed. And that's a table that just sold. Did they sell it? I mean, they did buy it? Yeah. Arthur said that he put that thing together last night. You're not going to have to take it apart, are you, Arthur? That's what I was going to say.
I didn't finish bolting it together, so I'm fixing to.
Oh, okay. It was brand new. Linda just, she had bought it for one of her kids and never had even put it together. They sold it. You can only get so much in one home. But you sold all the furniture, didn't you?
Everything but the couch.
Except the couch. I showed them a picture of the couch if there's anybody locally. What is this here? Is that a rug?
It's a massage thing. You put it in a chair. And it looks like it may have heat too. I don't know.
Okay.
I think I got it for Christmas. Oh, I hope so. I think I got it for Christmas.
I don't remember. I think I did buy for
Did
you.
you?
Yeah, but it's okay. What do you got on it?
Gosh, I don't even remember. $1.
Okay, $1. Well, that's a good deal. I got that on Black Friday.
Did you?
Yeah.
It's never been used.
Yeah. And like I said, I wished I could have got over here yesterday and filmed what all they had. Because y'all really have just about sold out, girl.
We've gotten rid of a lot of tables. We've already put tables up.
Yeah. Y'all there's a cube shelf for $10. Now, what is this right here? Is this globes?
Yeah, aren't they pretty?
They're beautiful.
They were in the dining room, in that chandelier in the dining room.
Oh, yeah. Those are $2 a piece. Now, what is this, Linda?
You know, good question. You're like the
Oh.
same person. Hey, Arthur Allen, what is this?
That's a saw. That's a jigsaw.
A fillet
what?
knife.
A fillet knife. Oh, okay.
I should have asked earlier.
Yeah, that's a fillet knife for $5. And what is that? Heater. This heater for $3. That's a good buy. Now, what is that, Linda?
It's for fishing. It's a holder for fishing rods.
Oh, okay. And this is a air compressor. That's a big commercial air compressor. That's a big thing. Okay, Linda, do you want to say hi? Guess I can turn it around. Hi. I can't even see it. Can you see it?
A little bit.
The sun is so bright. Okay. Well, that's it. Like I said, they just about sold out. But I didn't come over yesterday because I wasn't feeling like it. If I'd have felt like coming over yesterday, then y'all could have seen all the nice stuff they had. But I wasn't able to. So I just come when I can. I was going to step inside the garage so I could see if there's anyone said anything. Anyway, I appreciate y'all jumping on and seeing, just saying hi for a few minutes. And I left Shelly, my granddaughter, and her kids at house, and I told them I wouldn't be gone long. And so I'm going to get back and see what I'm going to do there at the house today. I'm thinking about making some chicken enchiladas. But anyway, love y'all. Appreciate y'all jumping on and showing your support. And I will get back with y'all later. And don't forget to count your blessings. Love y'all. Bye-bye.